Hi, meeting with Miss Rose again today. Okay, today again I'm going to present all of you kids who send me the video. Hey, why always send the students video, Miss Rose? Listen carefully. Dengar ya. You can follow your friends. When your friends speak, you can see your friends and you have a feeling here that I also want to speak like that. Saya juga mau ngomong kayak gitu, saya juga bisa. Ya? Why? Because English is speaking. Ingat, Miss Rose selalu bilang English is speaking. Ya? You speak first. Speak. 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 English is speaking. If you don't use it, your English will die. Tuh, Miss Rose selalu bilang begitu loh. English is speaking. If you don't speak it, your English will die. Your English will die. Nobody use it. Okay? Nah, so if you see your friend's video, kalau kamu lihat video temanmu, kamu juga berpikir, I want to make video like that. Nanti vocabnya dibantu. You know the vocab apa? Misalnya tentang masak nih. Ya, Miss kasih video nih hari ini yang ngirim video tentang bikin teh. How to make tea. Okay, good. How to make fried rice. Can you make fried rice? Oh, Miss Rose, I can bake cake. Oh yeah? Why don't you make video of baking cake? Miss Rose, can I send my video when I study, when I read books, when I play computer, something in the computer, whatever. You can make your own video, but then you have to be able to speak in English. Okay? Okay, here we go. See your friend.
Hi, I'm Della. I'm grade 2. I want to make ice chocolate. This one, chocolate powder, sugar, warm water, milk, ice, whipping cream, chocolate sauce, fudge, chocolate, sugar, warm water, milk, ice, this is XLD. I want to make sweet tea. I have sugar. I have tea bag. I have hot water. I have glass. I have spoon. First, I want put sugar in my glass.
I'm Joshua, back to another video, and today I'm gonna make tea. What do you say?
Tea.
Tea. Okay, tea.
Tea.
And just scoop this out. Scoop. God, how's it hot in there? And there's no tea. There we go, and let's put on what? Again,
Cold water.
push.
Hot water.
Yes, hot water.
Terus.
Tiga,
Terus.
shakers.
Terus.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Yeah! There's enough for that. And yes. Okay, now let's do it.
This is Anata. I will show you I have at home. This is my English dictionary. This is my student book. This is my hand sanitizer. This is my laptops. This is my handphones.
Hello everyone, I'm Zera. I want to show you what I have at home. This is my hand sanitizer. This is my face shield. This is storybook. I'm gonna show you all my stuff on the desk. As you can see, I have stationery. This is where I put my ruler, pen, and pencil, and then eraser. And then I have sharpener for sharp my pencil. Like this, I sharp my pencil. And then I have a cube for I'm playing with my friends or alone. And then I have book for I'm studying. And I have computer for I'm study, and then I'm gonna learn like this. I have mouse and the mouse pad. I have speaker for to listening a song. And then I have a coloring pencil and crayon.
I want to show you things on my desk. This is table lamp, whiteboard, a book, pencil case, markers, eraser. Bye, Miss Ross.
What are scents? Imagine the world if you cannot see things or hear your friends talking, or if you cannot smell and taste your food. We do not often think about our scents, but they tell us what is going around us. We have 5 main senses. These are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch.
A lion and the mouse. A lion was once living in the jungle when the mouse started running up and down his body just for fun. This disturbed the lion's sleep, and he woke up quite angry. He was about to eat the mouse when the mouse desperately requested the lion to set him free. The mouse said, "I promise you I'll be of great help to you someday if you save me." The lion laughed at the mouse's confidence and let him go.
Okay, what do you think of your friend's video? They can speak, right? You can speak too. I'm waiting for your video. Like fruit and vegetables. You can show me your favorite fruit and vegetables at home. You can show me. Oh, some kids showing the toys.